What up, guys? Welcome back. Today, MoonDrop, another pair of IEMs. These are the CHUs, a budget-friendly $20 pair of IEMs. Now, I've been using these for a few weeks now. Finally going to talk about these IEMs. Again, budget-friendly, only $20. And if you don't know anything about MoonDrop, they make fantastic in-ear monitors with just some of the best that I've heard personally. Now, the CHUs, 20 bucks, very cheap. What do we get for our money? The packaging here, very clean, very nice. And on the back, a little bit more about these IEMs. Now, also, we do get, of course, the user's manual. We do get, this is like a felt carrying case on here. Again, I'm not going to complain about anything. Not the nicest case, but it is a case nonetheless for the price, which I can really appreciate. And we also get some ear hooks. Now, shout out to MoonDrop. They did send these to me, although they did get returned because of customs. I did purchase one on release, and this is the pair that I did purchase. Hopefully, I will still get the one from them, and when I do, I will be doing a giveaway with that pair. Now, check this out, guys. We get some spring tips. And to give you a little bit of context on these are MoonDrop's own ear tips, and they cost around 13 bucks for a pack of 3. So they come inside of the box with the MoonDrop CHUs. So we're really getting these IEMs for about 7 bucks, plus the bag, plus the ear hooks. I don't know how they're doing it, but I'm here for it all day long. Now, the actual IEMs, you can see I do have the spring tips on there, the large size. That's what I typically go for. And the IEMs, they're small. They're small IEMs, not very big, which I do like. I like how they fit in my ears. They are very comfortable. Now, one place they did cut corners is the cable. The cable is not the best here. Pretty cheap looking and feeling cable, but I'm okay with that because of the price and really because of how good these IEMs really are. Now, you can see the 3.5 millimeter end here. Now, there's also on here, let me find it. We do have a volume up and a volume down switch. And if you don't know, if you click the volume up and volume down button at the same time, it will play and pause your audio. So really good. Now, one more thing that some people might not like is that this is not a detachable cable. So no detachable cable on here. But again, I'm not going to nitpick much on these because they are 20 bucks and the spring tips alone are 13. So very nice, very clean, and I do not mind them at all. And these are also a metal cavity, so they didn't skim out on the build quality of the actual IEMs. Now, this isn't MoonDrop's first budget IEM, but this is one of the best that they do have to offer. Now, let's talk about the sound quality on these. It's a neutral sound, but saying that, there's some good bass. It's decent. It's not bad. It's more of a good sub bass than bass, but it's very clean, very sharp. It punches and it just goes away. It's very clean. And it's not that V-shaped sound. If you are a bass head like I am, you might not love these, but you might, because even me being a bass head, I don't mind the bass on here at all. It hits, it goes away, it's clean, it doesn't muddy up anything. It's very sharp. Now, the vocals on here are absolutely beautiful. They sound good. The clarity is fantastic. The tuning on here is really, really nice. Something that MoonDrop is, well, they're really known for, and it's what they do well. Overall, these things sound fantastic, especially at this price point. If you are looking to get into high-res audio and you're on a budget and you just want to check something out, this is the pair I would recommend. This is the pair you should check out. That's it, guys. A very simple and easy recommendation here. The MoonDrop CHUs, 20 bucks. I'll drop the link below, guys. Hit that like, give me a sub, and I'll be back soon. Peace.